Attract abundance in your wallet with this simple method. Dr. Joseph Murphy. Consider this. Do you find yourself in need of a financial boost? Are you tired of watching bills flow in and out, wondering if you'll ever catch a break? Well, I have fantastic news for you. Making one small change can transform your relationship with money. By doing so, you'll tap into a new level of energy, one that magnetically attracts more money than you ever imagined possible. But don't just take my word for it. I challenge you to try it. I've witnessed this method work wonders for countless individuals, and I'm here to share it with you today. But before we delve into the details, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Today, I'm here to introduce a powerful technique for attracting wealth. Understanding this concept can revolutionize how you handle your finances. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Consider this scenario, akin to an experiment with beans. When you excessively nurture one bean while neglecting another, the neglected bean can unexpectedly thrive more than its overly cared for counterpart. This lesson underscores the impact of avoiding excessive attachment. The same principle applies to money. In challenging financial situations, it's crucial not to let emotions overwhelm you. Today, I'll provide you with tools to cultivate a sense of abundance. The more positively you think about money, the more it can flow into your life. It's essential to grasp why this works. Our minds instinctively push away anything that feels painful. This subconscious self-sabotage often occurs without our awareness. The key is to avoid becoming overly attached to money and always associate it with positive thoughts. Negative childhood experiences and past struggles can instill pessimism about money, hindering your financial progress. Overcoming this obstacle involves fostering positive thoughts about money. You can transcend these challenges by developing a positive mindset and reframing your beliefs about money. Even if you genuinely desire more money, subconscious beliefs can hinder your progress, viewing money as a source of problems and pain. Overcoming this challenge entails establishing a positive mindset about money, detaching it from negative emotions. It's time to grasp a fundamental truth. Life manifests based on your deep-seated beliefs, not just your desires. Your beliefs shape your reality, turning dreams into reality. It's your conviction that makes your aspirations come true. Let's shift our focus to a critical aspect of life: money. It's time to transform your perception of it. I'll introduce a method. When you place money in your wallet or purse, do so with intent. If you've faced money problems, negative feelings and beliefs about money might be the root cause. Reflect on your childhood. How many times were you warned not to carry money for fear of losing it? Such well-intentioned advice can inadvertently restrict your progress. It's crucial to recognize these learned beliefs that hold you back. Money isn't inherently negative. It's time to alter your viewpoint. Many people have unconsciously associated negativity with money, hindering their financial goals. These negative feelings often stem from well-meaning parental guidance, shaping your perspective. Transforming these beliefs and mindset is challenging but necessary for financial growth. Embrace change, even in the face of skepticism. understand that altering deeply ingrained patterns takes time, patience, and persistence. Now, let me share a technique involving your wallet, a crucial tool in your transformation. When you open your wallet, avoid negative emotions stemming from past beliefs. Keep some money inside, no matter the amount. Additionally, create an illusion of abundance by arranging your bills to give the appearance of more. The universe responds to your feelings, so aim for a sense of plenty. Your journey toward financial success begins with the energy you project through your wallet. Many might have chosen black or gray wallets due to cautious advice. But can you thrive with these limiting beliefs? Consider the mindset of a millionaire. They enjoy money, exuding confidence in financial matters. They maintain a positive relationship with money. In contrast, those facing financial struggles often harbor negative beliefs about money. It's crucial to acknowledge that your beliefs shape your reality, and a bold change, such as switching to a vibrant, red wallet, can shift your mindset. Don't merely wish for change, be willing to accept it. Transforming your beliefs and mindset isn't a swift process, but it's worth the effort. Remember, the universe responds to your positive energy, not just your requests. Radiate abundance, and watch how quickly it manifests in your life. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist.